Hey everybody, I'm Mariah and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on this Profusion Glamour Pro Elevation Kit. A first impression slash review, like tell you how I feel about it. This was like $13, so this wasn't bad at all. If you want to see my thoughts on it, then let's get right on into the box. I really like the box. Like holographic, or is that what it's called? I don't know. Looks like a rainbow. This kit comes with, it says to create your own luxe look, choose from 40 ultra blendable eyeshadows to create a customized natural smoky or vibrant look, 17 lip glosses to add a splash of color and shine, 5 gorgeous blush, bronzer, and highlight colors to enchant your skin, complexion, and features, 4 universal eyebrow powders, and 4 creamy, vibrant gel liners. So it comes with a lot of stuff. I found this thing at Ross. I was so excited when I seen it, and I knew I wanted to try it out and try it out with you guys. So I'm gonna take it out. This is what it looks like. It's like a brick. It's pretty cool though. You open it like this, and it has a mirror and then eyeshadows. These were like my favorite eyeshadows. That's totally why I got it, but there's more eyeshadows, and there's the blush, and then the highlighter, and then the bronzers, but there's more. It comes with brushes and the lipstick. I couldn't figure this out where the lipstick was, but it was in the mirror. So that's what it looks like. I wasn't gonna put like foundation on today and stuff, but I might to try out the blush and the bronzer and the highlighter. To get started, I'm just gonna start off with doing my eye makeup. But first, I have to prime my eyes, so I've really been liking to use this Profusion Eyes palette, but I really enjoy this concealer, so I'm gonna prime my eyes with this concealer. Since I'm probably gonna put foundation on, I just decided to go all the way up my eyelid. I'm gonna set it. So it came with 2 eyeshadow brushes, one like Packer eyeshadow brush and then like a gel eyeliner brush. So I might try out the Packer brush, but I did just grab a couple of my own. To start off my eye look, I think I'm gonna use this brown. I'm just using an e.l.f. eyeshadow blending brush. This brown and that brown. Just mix them. There's a lot of like fallout on my nose. Like a lot of eyeshadow on my nose. Obviously, there's pigmentation and color to the brown. There's one. There's the other. So I'm gonna really quickly do the other eye. I pretty much just like packed that brown color all over the lid. while blending it out. I was really tempted to use one of these pink eyeshadows, but I haven't used a gold eyeshadow in a long time. I've never done a gold look, so I'm gonna be trying these two golds out. I actually really like this gold color. This is the color I came, or like the eye look I came up with using the palette. Let me zoom it out a little bit. Or get it up a little bit. Now I'm gonna put on some wing eyeliner and I will be back. So I put wing eyeliner on. So I decided, since it is a first impressions and like a review and everything, that I would just try it all out, the blush, the highlighter, and everything like that. Because I don't really have to like show you guys what I'm doing, since that's not really part of the video. So I'll be back. I'm gonna put on this Smashbox primer, and then I'm just gonna put on the foundation and then set it, and then I'll be back to use the blush, the highlighter, and everything like that. So I'm back. I put foundation on and concealer and then set it. So now what I'm gonna do is finish off my eye makeup. So I'm just gonna take those brown colors and line under my waterline. The Falsies Push Up Drama by Maybelline. The next mascara I go in with is the Falsies Big Eye. And this one has the two. One for your upper eyelashes and then your lower lashes. Wet n Wild contour brush for that. So I like the contour shade in this palette for like hot pink. So I'm gonna use this e.l.f. blush brush, and I'm gonna use the rose blush, which is, it looks more intense, but the other one looks pale. Holy crap, it's hot. to try out the highlighter. It's called a golden highlighter because there's like a white, there's a rose gold, and then there's like a golden color. So I'm gonna try like the white one, like the pearl color. I'm gonna use this small e.l.f. tapered brush. It's not terrible, but it's like super... Okay, so for highlighters, since I'm not really feeling that one that much, it's just super, like you can kind of see it, but it's just so glittery and it's just like, I don't know. I still definitely think the $13 is worth it. For this one for Christmas. I don't know if you guys can see. This light is like super harsh, but this highlighter is so stinking bomb. So it's like 4. I really want to use that pink on my eyelids. So if you guys want a tutorial of that, I'll totally do that. I probably will. Let me know what your favorite drugstore highlighter is at the moment. Is the lipstick variety. I have like gold, so I kind of want to do like a babyish pink. So there is one that I kind of have my eye on, and you know what? This brush, it's a lipstick brush. You know how I said it was eyeliner earlier? Definitely a lipstick. I'm gonna try the 1, 2, 3, 4th one down in this row. Lipstick is super subtle. It's a gloss and I actually really like it. It just added a little bit of pink to my lips, but this is the final look. So this is the final look that I came up with using this Pro Elevation Kit. And I think it's good, but it's not like the best thing in the world, because like the eyeshadows are kind of powdery, and then I really do like the bronzer, but the second bronzer is super sparkly, and then the blushes are like super in your face. But I did like make it, I toned it down, there we go. And I also didn't really like the highlighter, so I kind of just like the bronzer and then some eyeshadows. So yeah, but I did enjoy the lipsticks too, so I'm not really sure how I feel about it yet. Definitely gonna have to play around with it more, but that was just like my first impressions slash like my thoughts and like a little review. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this review slash makeup look. I actually really enjoy how my makeup came out today. I really like the gold eyeshadow, and then I really like this pink lip. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy these type of videos. Let me know what else you'd like to see, because I'm open to your guys' suggestions. And hopefully you're having a wonderful day or whenever you see this, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!